Hello guys, eto nagbabalik tayo, and for today's game that we're going to play is we're going to play Restaurant Tycoon 2 from Roblox. So today itatry natin mag-serve at mag-manage ng restaurant. So samahan niyo ako and hope you enjoy this video, this game that we're going to play today. Let's go! You earn $100 cash for logging in today. So, claim natin. Okay? So, okay. So, mag-create tayo. Anong pwede natin gawing name ng restaurant? Wala ko maisip. Restaurant na lang. Okay. So, mamimili tayo. Ito ba? Ito? Restaurant? Or ito? Or ito? Parang... Okay, parang mas maganda to. Okay. So, this is our day 1. Okay. Okay, dito na tayo sa restaurant. Maganda yung restaurant, ha? Aesthetic. A table for 2, please. Okay. A table for 2. Dito kayo? A table for 2. Ito pa lang yung ano natin, eh. Sir, dito kayo, sir. Sir. Sir, dito po kayo. Pumunta. Okay. Paano sila makakaupo dito? Okay, so... Sir, dito po kayo maupo. Table for 2. Dito po. Dito po kayo maupo. Bakit hindi nyo kinakausap? Kausapin nyo ako. Like yung tunog ng restaurant na akala mo ang daming tao. Ma'am, sir, pwede po kayong umupo dito. Build. Ito tayong $450. Bakit mag-extend? Mag-extend kaya tayo na... Okay, pwede nating gawin... About table. Hindi pwede dito maglagay ng table. Ang liit na ng restaurant na ginawa ko. Dalawang table lang available. But, sobrang liit lang. Oo, kaya hanggang dito lang pala. If mag-build tayo ng... Okay, let's hire a chef. Siguro naman meron na tayong chef. Let's see. Okay, may chef. And ang pwede nating Okay. Okay, nandiyan yung mga tip. How about if we can build? Mag-build tayo ng what's new? Okay. Halloween. So this is some decoration for Halloween. Tables. Hindi tayo ano ng table tsaka chairs kasi sobrang liit pa. Bathroom, walls, roofing, flooring. I'm not sure kung makakapag-extend pa ba tayo ng floor? Floors or flooring. Plus, extend tayo. Maganda. Ito, parang woods. No, hindi tayo makapag-extend. So what should we do? May dalawang customer. Wala na yung customer. Saan yung chef ko? Oh, nandun pa yung dalawang customer. About sa store. Okay. Plates, bowl, may mga utensils. Okay, we can hire a waiter. Okay, may waiter na tayo. Okay, ayun. Kinausap niya na. So, ako pala yung manager dito. So, basically, okay, magluto na kayo. Pagsilbihan niyo yung customer natin. Okay? Oh, okay. May VIP. Finally, meron tayong VIP customer. Okay. $50 na lang ang meron sa atin. Di pa tayo makapag-upgrade kasi kailangan pa natin mag-ipon ng pera para ma-extend or mapalaki natin itong restaurant. Look. Oh, ito yung restaurant. Okay. So, I was thinking na gabi na. Gabi na tong time na to. Okay? Tingnan natin yung VIP customer. So, I'm waiting for the pumpkin soup. Nagluluto na ba yung chef? Okay. Ako rin pala magluluto. Ako pala magluluto. Akala ko ako manager. Okay. Pumpkin soup. Let's cook the pumpkin soup. Okay. So, okay na siguro yun. Dalawa lang naman yung customer. Okay. So, sana magbayad na sila. Hindi ko alam, nasan yung chef ko? Bakit nawala yung chef? Okay, trainee pa lang pala yung chef natin dito. So, okay. Okay, let's fry. And, okay, kailangan matuto na nung kailangan matuto na yung trainee chef natin. Kasi binabayaran natin yon. Okay? Okay, the chicken adobo. Luto na ang chicken adobo. Ang dami nilang order. All Filipino food tayo dito sa restaurant natin. Okay, chop naman tayo. Magcha-chop tayo. Ingredients and luto na ulit. So, chicken adobo yung na-serve natin. Ano kaya yung next? Oh, chicken adobo pa din. So, basically, yung chef natin, parang Natututo pa siya sa anong ginagawa natin. So, at the same time, we're the owner and we are the manager of this restaurant. Okay? Thank you so much. Come again, mga madam and sir. Thank you. Okay, collect natin yung payment. Oh, we got a wood tray. Okay. Collect natin. Okay, naka 138 din tayo. Let's collect the cash. Okay, wala pa tayong customer. So, it's 10 a.m. in the morning sa restaurant. Okay, let's collect the cash. Okay, we have $174 or pesos. Okay? Paki-assist sila, waiter. Alright, let's help the chef. Let's wait for the order. Okay. Palit isang customer. Okay, the chef is cooking. Okay, marunong na magluto yung chef natin. Finally. Okay. Pakiserve na, pakiserve. Pakiserve. Okay, busy sila, busy. Pagre-relax muna ako. So, ito yung restaurant natin. Medyo maliit pa. So, kailangan nating i-improve. Okay? Okay. Wait, kumakain na sila? Okay. Let's collect the dishes. Okay. Nag-order pa. Nalakas kumain. So, 2 p.m. na ng hapon. Okay. Luto tayo. Chicken adobo ulit ang order nila. Hindi ko nag-order ng chicken adobo ah. It's Halloween. Mag-order kayo ng ibang food. Okay, waiter, pakiserve sa dalawang customer. Okay, luto tayo ulit. Luto. Okay, lutuin na natin. Ay, baka masunog. Okay, mabentang chicken adobo for today ah. May lulutuin pa ba tayo? Natin yung mga okay. Thank you mga madam. Come again. Balik po kayo. Salamat po. Okay, kumakain pa yung... Okay. Okay. Maraming salamat. Okay. Okay, collect natin yung cash. Ay, may 210 na tayo. Okay, pakiserve. Meron ulit tayong customer. Waiter. Order to, waiter. Please, paki-assist. Okay, pakabigyan ng table. Dalawang customer. Paki-take ng order nila para ma-prepare na natin. Can I help you with something, chef? Okay. Tulungan na kita, chef. Okay, ano kayang order nila? Is that egg roll? Egg roll is lumpia. Okay, tapos na. Oh, pumpkin soup. Again, pumpkin soup ang order nila next. Malakas ang restaurant natin. Today's Halloween. Let's check our customer kung kumakain ba sila ng mabuti. How was our food po? How was our food? Hey! Hello! Hey, what's up? Hey! Hey! Hey, what are you doing to my restaurant? Okay, spring rolls. Okay. We've unlocked. Okay, adobo. Oh, you're waiting for adobo. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Tulungan natin para ma-serve natin sila ng order nila. Okay, tuto tayo. I think kailangan pa natin magdagdag ng, oh my god, 500. Ang mahal, $500 mag-hire ng waiter. Can't believe it. Okay na susunog na, muntik na masunog. Muntik na masunog yung adobo. Tapos na kumain. Okay, we gather some cash. Kailangan natin makapag-hire ng isang waiter at isa pang chef. Okay, waiter, paki-assist. Bigyan sila ng table. For how many table po, madam, sir? Thank you so much. Alright, we have $240. Okay, let's help the chef. Ano yung order nila? Okay, they ordered spring roll. Okay. Order sila lumpiang Shanghai. Okay, bantayan natin. Baka masunog. Okay, the spring rolls lumpiang Shanghai is ready. Waiter, paki-serve. Paki-serve, paki-serve. May order pa ba sila? Okay. Kailangan pa daw natin magluto. Okay, tuto pa. Okay, another spring roll order coming up. Okay, let's try the lumpiang Shanghai. Okay, the pumpkin soup is ready. Spring rolls, lumpiang Shanghai is ready, waiter. Paki-serve na. Okay, napaka-busy, okay. Natin magluto ulit. Ano kaya? Chicken adobo ulit. Ang order nila. Chicken adobo is the best. One of my favorite is adobo. Okay? Okay. Chef, are you done, chef? Is there anything else I can do for you to help you right now to cook? Okay. Kamusta na kaya? Okay. Kumakain pa sila? How was our food po? Is it good? The chicken adobo? I'm waiting for the spooky pie. Uy, let's go. Okay. So, nag-order sila ng spooky pie. Ayun na. Waiter. Waiter. Paka-serve na. Waiter. Account? Okay. One spooky pie. Ready for a customer. Come again. Come again. Thank you for coming. Okay, kain pa. Okay, it's 12 p.m. na. It's lunch. All right. So, guys, I hope you enjoy playing with me this Restaurant Tycoon. And please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And wait for the next episode of this Restaurant Tycoon that I'll be playing. So, let's see if we can improve and build more parts of the restaurant. And let's see how long we can, get on this game in Roblox. So again, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and thank you so much sa sumama sa akin ngayon maglaro nitong Restaurant Tycoon. This is an amazing game and hope you like it. Thank you, guys, and have a nice day, everyone.